To celebrate 160 years of tanning, FJBaker invite you on a virtual tour. During this first episode of a 6-part series, you will meet our craftsmen, see our historic site and 16th century buildings, and be given an overview of our family-run business. The tannery is situated on the banks of the River Collie. The river is used to run a 400-year-old water wheel, which powers our tan yard and some machinery. We also use the water to tan hides. The properties of the Devonshire water and the southwest climate are an important factor in producing our leather. We are the last remaining oak bark tannery in the UK. We were established as FJBaker in 1862, but there has been a tannery on this site dating back to the Roman times. Our oldest buildings are 16th century and the newest are 1960s constructions. Compared to modern tanneries, our historic buildings are challenging in many ways. However, our unique way of tanning and finishing leather is bound to this site, these buildings, and the tannery workers who were here before us. Our heritage is part of each piece of leather. We are a small team of craftsmen, each with specific skills, many of which have not changed since this tannery began. Everyone begins as an apprentice and are taught our ways of doing things. It takes 7 years to become a master tanner. We hire local people to support the community and reduce commutes. Gary has worked with us for 50 years. He is in charge of the lime yard. He also hand-sets the hides after tanning. Christian, Darren and Paul work in the tan yard. They move the hides from pit to pit daily, slowly increasing the strength of tannins the hides are soaked in. They also do the exhausting job of fleshing, which removes the hair and the fat from the hides. This method of hand dehairing has not changed in centuries. Andrew and Paul are trained to use the machines for shaving and rolling the hides. Jason, Ed and James are the specialists in staining, printing and the finishing both of our oak bark tanned and vegetable tanned hides. James hand stains and dubbins every piece of oak bark tanned equestrian leather. He also controls the stockroom, and many of you who have visited will know him as he helps customers choose the correct leather for the job. Keith and Arnold keep everything running. We believe in keeping every machine working as long as we possibly can to reduce waste and landfill. Some machines are simply irreplaceable. Barbara, Lizzie and Laura are the office staff tasked with sales, logistics and customer communications. Overseeing every aspect of our company is Managing Director Andrew Parr. 5th generation of the Baker family, Mr. Parr has seen the company through many challenges and changes. Lizzie and Ed are the 6th generation of the Baker family and apprentices to the running of the business. Thank you for watching this introduction to FJBakers, taking us from the historic to the current day. Please keep an eye out for our up-and-coming series showing you our process.